Social media is here to stay, so capitalize on it with SnapGiant's social media platform. It's smart, it's savvy, and it's essential for your small business. As more customers turn to social networks to make pre-buying decisions, you need to be where they are. Your social presence lets them know who you are and what you have to offer. Get their attention and build community with consistent and engaging content. You can do all these and more on SnapGiant's easy-to-use platform. We've merged the best of social media with mobile marketing on a convenient dashboard, simultaneously allowing you to send, post, and monitor text messages and Facebook updates. When your customers like you on Facebook, they're opting in to your posts. Consistently post to build brand awareness, keeping your business top of mind. Ask for feedback on services and products. Improve customer service by posting information to help your customers achieve their goals. Through SnapGiant's social media platform, you can build relationships, earn your customers' trust, and be a part of their lives. Try it for free today.